Fire in the hole! Grenade coming at you!
There's the sugar mill.
Oh, I swallowed my gum.
Reloading.
In here.
Oh my god!
Whatever. All right, that's. Hey, thanks a lot.
An older boy.
That ain't right. This way. Reloading.
It's really starting to pour.
Got pills.
Always count on you, bro.
You gotta quit moving so I can heal you.
That's what I'm talking about. You get it on?
You can have this.
I owe you one.
Got it!
Nice shot.
Reloading! Jockey! hear Hunter.
Mistake for me. Punch it!
Reloading.
Draw me. Mortally wounded. Oh, right now. Right. Get you.
みんなお気を取れ。 Hey, I'm reloading.
Punch attack. Hey.
Oh shit! Watch out!
Activate.
Reloading!
Hey, look out!
Reload!
I need to reload.
Reloading. Boomers around.
Hey, I'm a reload.
Up that ramp!
Mistake. Let's see that.
No!
Go push.
Much better. はい、僕なんだ。おい、マジでそれ用の。
Going down.
Pipe bomb! Throwing a pipe bomb!
Punch attack. Activate. Mistake.
Everybody ready?
Of
I'm
course.
game.
Those leaping on your badges. Reloading.
Timingだ。 近くにスモーカーがいる。
Ready?
Yep.
Bitches must like sugar.
胸部バトルだ。
なるとは嬉しくなると。
めちゃめちゃ飛んだ。中古としてやつやられた。チョキだ。快眠いただきだ。I gotta heal.
Shit ain't right. Be careful.
銃はここだ。
Ready? No.
Hell yeah.
Yes.
Sounds like a
ハンターだ。
You know, you're just gonna lay there all day. Jesus, I think I'm letting you do
いいよ選手。一応そうだなと痛い？
Chocolate. Watch it.
.それっぽいこと言って盛り上がっ
You're going down.
All right.
Alright, Jude. Alright. Stop signing your name.
ライフをもらうぞ。
Don't worry, that's just.
Hey, we ready to get it on?
Yes.
Yeah.
Up here.
ついやっちゃうんだ。自然に体が動いちゃうんだ。
じゃなくて
It looks easier. Oh!
I'm gonna set some zombies straight with this.
Worry, that should heal fast.
Hey man, hold up. Healing. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Hit it.
ちょっとマジで行こうぜ。 ありがとう。
Thanks, I owe you one.
気にすんな。
Everybody ready?
Ooh, all better now.
The door's locked, but I can't open it. The door's locked, but I can't open it.
邪魔するよ。
Heads up! This here's all we got.
Head for the sign.
Keep moving.
There's gas in the safe room.
You're going down.
Hey, get in here.
Judo-chan.
Come on, people, come on, get in here.
Everyone, inside.
Whew. They played us tough.